Dear students, the problem is 0 by 1 knapsack problem by using branch and bound method. I am using least count branch and bound. We find this problem is we are finding upper and cost. So let us see the example is, so profit, here some profits are given and weights are given. So profits are 10, 12, 18 and weights are 2, 4, 6, 9. So the bag capacity is 15. Here n equal to 4 means we are taking some 4 objects. So here bag capacity is 15. So we are finding the formula is upper equal to sigma of I equal to 1 to n pi xi. So pi means profits, xi means some constraints 0 and 1s. So less than or equal to m. So less than or equal to m means bag capacity is less than or equal to profits. So we are taking here without fractions. Next find out cost. Cost equal to sigma I equal to 1 to n pi xi. Here we are taking with fractions. Now I generate the space tree. So profits are 10, 12, 18. Weights are 2, 4, 6, 9. Initially, so 0 means not included in the bag. 1 means included in the bag. Initially, we are taking the value is infinity. So we are finding the first root 1. So we are finding the cost here. So cost is 10 plus 12 plus, so 10 value is 2, here 10 value is 4, here 12 value is 6. So adding this one, 6 plus 4 plus 2 equal to 12. So we are subtract from bag. 15 minus 12 equal to, we get the value is 3. So 18 by 9 into 3. So here the cost value is adding this one, 10 plus 12 plus 6 equal to minus 38. So upper equal to without fractions means we are taking these values only, 10 plus 12. So the value is minus 32. We are replacing the value of infinity, we are taking minus 32. So upper equal to minus 32 and cost equal to minus 38. Next step is, here we are included in the bag and we are not included in the bag. So included in the bag means the next node is 2, here the next node is 3. So included in the bag means same values are taking in the root only. So now we are finding x1 equal to 0. So find x1 equal to 0 means 10 plus 12 plus 18. Here the values are 2 plus 4. So adding this one, we are not included in the bag means first values are not taking. So adding these values, 4 plus 6 how much? 8 plus 9 means beyond the bag capacity. So we are taking 4 plus 6. So the value is 10. So 10 plus 12 plus 18 by 9 into 5. So we are adding the value, the cost equal to minus 32 and upper value is 22. 10 plus, we are not taking the fraction value. So 10 plus 12 we are taking. So upper equal to minus 32, cost equal to, upper equal to minus 22, cost equal to minus 32. Next we are generate the second space tree. So x2 equal to 1 here and x2 equal to 0 not included in the bag. So first included in the bag. So second value means same values are repeated. So cost equal to minus 38 and upper value equal to minus 32. So here x2 equal to 0 means not included in the bag. So we are finding the second space tree. So find x2 equal to 0. So x2 equal to 0 means we are not taking this value. So adding these values. So 10 plus 10 plus 12 plus 18. Here 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus, we are not taking this value. So 2 plus 6 plus 9 means here this is large value. So we are taking these values only, 2 plus 6. So here the value is 15 means bag capacity, and 15 minus 8 equal to 7. So 18 by 9 into 7. So the cost value is minus 36, and we are not taking this fractions. 10 plus 12 how much? Upper value is minus 22. So here the values are upper equal to minus 22 and cost equal to minus 36. Now and generate these values. Fourth rule. So x3 equal to 1 we are included in the bag, and x3 equal to 0 not included in the bag. So same values are taking here. So upper equal to minus 32 and cost equal to minus 32. Same included means we are taking these values, and x3 equal to 0 means not included in the part. So we are calculating the, we are finding the x3 equal to 0. So 10 plus not include the third object. So 12 is rejected and 6 also rejected. So the cost value is minus 38 and upper value is minus 38. So upper value is minus 32 and here upper value is minus 38. So this is large value. So we are killing this object by using bound function. We are killing this object by using bound functions, and here also minus 32 is minus 38 and minus 32. So we are killing these objects. So now we are generate this root node 7. So x4 equal to 1 included in the bag, and x4 equal to 0 not included in the bag. So we are finding this value. So same values are taking here. So cost equal to minus 38 only, and upper bound also cost equal to minus 38 only. So we are calculating the not included in the bag. So first object is included, second object is included, third object not included, and fourth object is not included. So 10 plus 10 how much? 20. So cost equal to minus 20 and upper also minus 20. So here the value is minus 32. This value is more compared to minus 32. So we are killing this object. So this is the final answer. So how the space trees are x1 equal to 1. So we are taking 1 included, second object included, third object not included, and fourth object included. So the weights are 2 plus 4 plus 0 plus 9 equal to 15. So this is the final answer. Thank you.